Hey, it's your boy Stanley Parrish, and guess who's back with a new behind the scenes video and a new intro. Yo, man, y'all gotta tell me what y'all think about the new intro. I know it's kind of short, it's only like 8-9 seconds long, but I think it's pretty cool. But look, hey man, I'm super excited about this photo shoot I'm about to show y'all, man. This is like my first behind the scenes video that I've done in a minute. I got a chance to link up with Tina. She's a great model. Met her through Instagram, and she's also friends with another model that I shot with. But she was excellent, man. She did a good job. Shout out to my brother Rodney Williams. He came out and helped me with the lighting. So for this photo shoot, I used my Nikon D610. I had to use that because my D750 is currently messed up right now, so I gotta send that in to get it fixed. I also used my 20-40-70 lens, and also used a cheap ND filter. It's made by Polaroid. It's cheap, but it did the job. And this is it right here. Let's see if you can see it. Right there. I used one light and a softbox made by Paul C. Buff. The flash is a Alien B 800, and the softbox that I use is one that I just keep in my car. It's one of the small square softboxes. In the studio, I normally use my Octobox, but this particular softbox is easy to carry around and stuff like that, so I just leave it in the car. But yeah, man, I'm super excited about these photos. I learned some new editing techniques that maybe you would see in these photos. Just let me know what y'all think about it. Okay, so that's enough talking, man. Let's go ahead and get into this video. So here we go, guys. We got Miss Tina. We got Rodney Williams. We got the handy dandy red wagon in the background. We got the super thugged out hot pink Alien B. Y'all know real men use pink strobes, right? But look, hey, but yeah, we're just keeping it simple, man. Like I said, we got the soft box right here. And right here, we're just getting set up for the shoot. And it's always important. Like I said, this was our first time shooting together, guys. And I want you to know, if you're a photographer, you have to do everything you can to make your model feel comfortable. And so a lot of people don't believe this, but I'm naturally a shy person, a quiet person. I don't talk very much. But when I'm out there shooting, and when I'm shooting with a new client or a model or whoever, I try to make sure I talk to that person, talk to the subject, make them feel comfortable. You just don't want to be out there just taking pictures. You know what I'm saying? You want to have a conversation, get to know that person, and that goes. I mean, that helps you get better portraits. Believe it or not, you can get great portraits just by talking to your model, making them feel good, making them feel comfortable. So the settings for this particular location here, I was at f2.8. The shutter speed was 1/160th of a second, and the ISO was 160. Again, the camera used here is a Nikon D610. The lens was a Nikon 20-40-70. And I'm using the Paul C. Buff Alien B 800 along with the Paul C. Buff softbox.
My YouTube is Tia Patel 0325. And everything else that you can think of is Tia Patel 0325. It's gonna be in the description below.
Make sure you click on it.
Like, subscribe, whatever you want to do.
Hey, how you doing? I'm Rodney Williams, Rodney Williams Photography. I'm tagging along with the great Stanley, who is a fantastic photographer. I do highly recommend him, and if he is busy, then call me.
There you go.
You can find my link right here.
Right down below. That's it.
Instagram at Rodney Williams Photography.
All right.